Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pixelate some part of like a video on CapCut PC. So just right click copy and right click paste on your video. Then you're going to select effect and you're going to find the mosaic effect. I think it's in comic now. Yeah, it's in comic, and add in the mosaic effect. Here you can adjust the blur. Oh my gosh, I do not know why this is still in Indonesian. I did change the language, but it's just here. There's like one setting, so you'll understand. You're just going to want to adjust the pixels here. I'm just going to select the smallest option, select these two, right click, and then select create compound clip. Then you are going to select mask, and for instance you want to blur like a square, select the rectangle and just like blur that out, like for instance like his outfit or something, I don't know, you can blur that out. Or if you want to blur that person's face, it's easier if you use a circle one and just adjust the size here and kind of feather it out a little bit. And as you can see, if the person moves, you can use this keyframe button, and when they move, like you want to move the blur to the person's like face, so just like move it around sort of. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!